So folks, new addition today, MINI Cooper S Paceman, 61,000 miles just coming into stock, 6495, it's a 6-speed manual petrol. So this car comes with the 19-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels, half leather trim. It's got the CD plate, climate control, multi-function steering wheel with auto lights, auto wipers. Like I say, it's a 6-speed manual, comes with a 12 months MOT with no advisories, 3-month warranty is standard. Come and ask for David at Brownlows. Where'd you get them?
Brownlow Cars, we believe everyone deserves a chance to drive the dream car. With our hassle-free finance options, bad credit is no problem. The zero deposit finance is available.
We have an amazing selection of cars and commercial vehicles, and every vehicle has our own 3 months warranty and 12 months AA breakdown cover. Visit us today.
351 Haughton Road, Darlington, DL1 2BP. Brownlow Cars, the name you can trust.